Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Couple quick clarifications. Number one, I am trading futures. If you don't know what futures are, I'll put a link down below to a totally free 4-part series that'll walk through the futures market and how it all works. Second, I'm trading futures through a prop firm. What is a prop firm? How does a prop firm work? Which prop firm am I using? You can find all that at the link up above, and I'll put it also in the description area. But in a nutshell, a prop firm is a way for you to have very little of your capital at risk, and then you have a whole lot of upside potential. So if that sounds like something that could be of value to you, then definitely check it out. One little note here is that the one cool thing about the futures market is it's open around the clock. So these trades are not, I take that back. It's open 23 hours a day, 6 days a week. So not totally around the clock, but so these trades are coming from various times before the video software got started. Doggone it. I promise I was watching that level, just in case you don't believe me. I understand people say stuff, but here it is. Here is just posted in the private community right there. There's that trend line right there. Is this a flush point? And it was, and I missed it. That would have been a nice little scalp there. But oh well, it is what it is. Any of you members that watch these videos, congrats if you took that trade. Very nice, quick move down. Maybe there's more to come, but I mean, we'll see what happens. So I will pause the screen recording software for now, and I'll be back as soon as I find a potential trade. All right, I actually just changed accounts. That's one cool thing with the prop firms, and in particular the prop firm that I use and recommend, which is TakeProfitTrader. And I actually just, I'm going to trade an account that they donated to the channel, so I could kind of just make some trades on it, because it's kind of one of those that gets lost in the shuffle. And that is this one right here, the 75K account. So what you can do is with this account for 147, well, that's at the time of this video. So just use code Clay, and that'll give you whatever the current promotion is. Right now, the promotion is 40% off, but code Clay will give you whatever the current one is. But basically, 75K in purchasing power. What does that give you? That gives you the opportunity to buy up to 9 mini contracts or 90 micros. And like I said, the 75K, I think sometimes gets lost in the shuffle, and I agree with it in the sense of, yeah, it does. I oftentimes overlook it, but they were kind enough to donate one and say, well, make some trades with it, talk about it, and maybe people can find some value in it. So let's see what happens with it, as this thing might be finding some momentum in the upwards direction here. I'm going to get a little bit more aggressive with it. Again, you can buy a little bit higher size with it. Again, just to show you could go up to 9 of the contracts right there. Actually, what I want to do is I want to get short down here. If this big green move fails, then I think this thing could find some pressure to the downside here. So I am looking to actually get short at the red line. Like I said, let's see if this move wants to fail. Hey, we're getting close. If that red line turns blue. Again, this is live, so I'm doing this in the spur of the moment. I don't know what's going to come next. This is not a voiceover. These are my thoughts in real time. Maybe. Well, heads back up. All right, well, maybe never mind on that one then. Okay, I will pause the screen recording software for now. If it looks like this trade is going to come into play, or if I can find a neutral. Oh, there we go. Are we going to come back down now? Okay, maybe. Maybe. Here we go, I think. Maybe. Okay, I'm in. For a nice $640 move, just like that. Gotta love futures. Gotta love the ability to get 8 NQs. Very good. Very good. This wants to bounce up some. I might try another short right here. Yep, there we go. Okay, I'll try again. If it wants to come down here to that level right there. Yellow. If that red line turns blue, that means I've been filled. Here we go, maybe. getting close. In. See it come back down. Trying to go with the trend here. There we go. Very nice. Now up 1500s, 2 trades. It's 9:33 a.m. So since things really picked up volatility, market's been open basically. When I say the market, I mean the New York Stock Exchange, because when the New York Stock Exchange opens at 9:30 a.m., it does give futures a boost. So this was not a coincidence where all of a sudden where it just showed up and got kind of crazy. That's all because, again, that was 9:30 a.m. Eastern, which again, it's when the New York Stock Exchange opened. So yes, these are not stocks, this is futures, but the futures market does get a little boost of energy, if you will, once the New York Stock Exchange opens. And just like that, 3 minutes into the New York Stock Exchange being open, up $1,500 on this account. So I will take it. I am happy with that. And you know what? I think I'm going to call that good. So again, this was all done with the 75K account, donated again by TakeProfitTrader. So shout out to TakeProfitTrader. And that is who I use. That is who I recommend. They have a great payout policy. They have a very clean set of rules. So whether you're a beginner, and especially if you're a beginner to the prop firm space, because of their clean set of rules, they're very, very beneficial as other prop firms. There's nothing wrong with them per se, but from a beginner's vantage point, all the rules can very quickly get overwhelming. But TakeProfitTrader has a good, clean set of rules, and not to mention daily payouts. So that means if you're making $1,000 a day, you can request $1,000 every single day. Other prop firms, it's not quite that smooth. Again, that doesn't mean that other prop firms won't pay you or anything like that, but it's not quite as smooth or as common sense as I like to call it. Because in my mind, well, of course, if I'm making $1,000 a day, why can't I request $1,000 a day? I agree, and TakeProfitTrader agrees. Other prop firms, it doesn't quite work that way, though. So another reason why I'd say to give them a try. Now, I'm not saying obviously you have to do the 75K. They offer these other ones too. But yes, the 75K is one, like I said, that I think it's lost in the shuffle a little bit. So I think it's worth, at least considering. But it is nice to be able to kind of bump up the size if you like the setup and want to get a little more aggressive with the 9. So, but either way, TakeProfitTrader, like I said, that's the link at the top of the screen, code Clay, to take advantage of the current deal. And on that note, I'm going to go ahead and call it good.